How to set protocol on HTTP on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set protocol on HTTP on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this Opera icon here and then click this one, and now just go down until you find advanced and click on it, and now you will find the protocol. Click on it and then click this one, HTTP, and as you see now protocol has been set on HTTP. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.